Why theme parks are the future of family entertainment. Theme parks are no longer just about thrilling rides. They have become the future of family entertainment, a space where fun, learning, adventure all come together. Theme parks have seen a surge of popularity over the years and demand is only growing. But why? Why it is happening? Let's dive in. With changing lifestyle, families are looking for the ways to spend quality time together. Theme parks are offering an experience that more than just entertainment. They have a complete family gateway. पहले जब लोगों को फैमिली एंटरटेनमेंट के नाम पे जाना था तो वो प्लेस जाते थे, वो पार्क घूमने जाते थे, वो मूवीज जाते थे, वो मॉल जाते थे, फूड कोर्ट जाते थे. बट नाउ this has been changed. People are going, they want to go out, they want to spend the entire time. So from immersive experience to educational shows, theme parks now cater to all age groups and interests, making them go-to destination for family outings. Why it is happening? Because you get a entire experience in one place. It's like, what do you call, आपको थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस है वहाँ पे, आपको मूवी एक्सपीरियंस है वहाँ पे राइड्स है वहाँ पे, एंटरटेनमेंट है वहाँ पे. सो ऑल दिस टुगेदर कैन ओनली यू कैन गेट इट इन थीम पार्क. एंड नाउ डेज इफ यू सी नॉट ओनली द बिगर सिटीज, आप छोटे छोटे शहरों में छोटे छोटे थीम पार्क्स, इंडोर गेम्स वगैरह ये सब देख रहे हैं. और थीम पार्क्स आर ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ अवर कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज. We DeFiNut have designed a lot of heritage and cultural theme parks on our history, mythology and values. Near Ajanta Ellora we have designed, from Nagpur we have designed few. So लोगों को वो सब आजकल देखना है और उसमें ही आपको एक फिल्म भी देखने मिल जाती है, एक 7D एक्सपीरियंस भी हो जाता है. Nowadays people have really going out, they want to go on drive, they want to have a family time, they can have a all age groups people going and doing out. So in all the 2-tier, 3-tier cities now the theme park is really coming up and it's a really growing market. People want to go out, they want to enjoy, they want to spend weekends over there. And if you have a water parks, if you have a wave pool, lazy rivers and all, it has a very different experience. People every Friday, Saturday, Sunday people can go there, have a enjoy, they can chill out there. They have a restaurants, cafes, food courts, everything is under one roof. When people have such kind of thing, when your friends, you want to go out with the friends, you want to go out with your siblings, you want to go out with your family, या कोई बाहर से गेस्ट आए तो उसको लेके जाने के लिए one of the best place is the theme park. And nowadays people really want to go and have outing in theme parks, and we DeFiNut are the one of the best and finest company in India who can really design well, where people can have a unforgettable experience in theme parks. The person who's making it a first time, he'll get a more advantage. So whoever has a land or money or a vision to create and to entertain people in your vicinity, a theme park is the things to do the investments and all. And at DeFiNut, we combine culture with fun, making each experience is meaningful and unforgettable. That I have always told. ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस, ऐसा कोई जगह बनाओ जहाँ पे लोग आए और एंजॉय करें जैसे पहले करते थे. If you want to create a theme park that is the future of entertainment, contact us at DeFiNut. We specialize in creating unique culture and immersive experience that your visitor will love.